Hello everyone, welcome to Food's Cooking. Today I'm going to make mutton biryani. It's the Malabar style mutton biryani. Let's begin. Today I'll be making the mutton biryani in the pressure cooker. The pressure cooker, add some oil and put the onions for frying till golden brown. Once it becomes golden brown, keep it aside. We'll need it later for garnishing and layering. And in the same oil, put 3 sliced onions and saute it till it becomes light pink in color. Add salt, half teaspoon of salt. This helps the onions to cook faster. Now you have to grind the ginger garlic and the chilies. I have taken about 7 to 8 chilies. You can add more if you like it spicy. Grind coarsely. You need to add the ground paste into the onion mixture and saute till the raw smell goes. And now add the chopped tomatoes. I have taken around 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Saute till it becomes softened. Once it has become softened, add the mutton. I have taken 500 grams of mutton. You need to mix well. Add the coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves, and give it a mix. Add 2 tablespoons of curd and mix it well. And now you'll need to pressure cook the mutton for around 20 minutes on a low flame till it's done, till the mutton is cooked. After about 20 minutes, the mutton is cooked. Add in garam masala powder, half teaspoon, coriander leaves, and juice of 1 lime. Check for salt and mix it all well. Now your mutton masala is ready. And now the next thing we need to do is make the ghee rice. For making the ghee rice, in a vessel, 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of ghee, splatter cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, and put rice, basmati or a jeera kashala rice. Put salt and stir for 5 minutes. Pour in hot water, hot boiling water. We've taken 2 cups of hot water for 1 cup of rice. Give it a good stir. Cover and cook on a high flame for 5 minutes. Open, just mix it all again and just close and simmer it down for 10 minutes till the rice is cooked. Now we'll need to do the layering. Put the masala in at the bottom and put the rice in between. You need to put the fried onions, coriander leaves, and some garam masala powder. Cover and keep for them for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can see the beautiful biryani ready to be served. Malabar biryani is served in a different way. They serve rice and the masala separately. You need to garnish the rice with chopped coriander and fried onions. And from the bottom, take out the mutton masala and serve it separately. And this is how the Malabar biryani is served. The rice and the mutton masala separately. And now garnish the mutton masala with chopped coriander leaves and fried onions And now you can enjoy your yummy and tasty Malabar Mutton Biryani. Do try out my recipes and post your feedbacks in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe now. And do come back for more amazing recipes. And do share my channel with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.